Hello! Let's take a look at how to adjust the height of the Marvel Select Rogue figure to fit in line with Marvel Legends. The problem is that limited supply and increasing demand has forced collectors trying to complete their X-Men collections into paying upwards of $125 to purchase Rogue. The solution is to purchase and customize a less expensive, newer version of Rogue, which is the Marvel Select figure. This is a great iteration of the character for a number of reasons, mainly because it has superior articulation featuring double jointed elbows. It also has more detail in sculpt, which you'll see throughout the body of the character and in the face, as well as it comes with more accessories, not to mention it's just flat out less expensive than the Marvel Legends version at this point. Here we have some before photos of how Rogue scales with Marvel Legends figures prior to her knee surgery. So let's begin the tutorial. First thing we're going to do is remove the section just below the knee and the green line. The next thing to do here is to heat up the legs with hot water or a blow dryer and then pull apart the lower portion of the leg. The next step is to use a razor blade to cut off the pegs, but be precise as we'll be using these parts later. Now probably the scariest part of this whole operation is using your blade to cut off the leg just under the green line. Now use your Gorilla Glue to reapply the peg to the leg, and depending on your initial cut, some smoothing may be required. Now you just need to reattach the leg to the newly glued peg, and then repeat the process for the other leg. Well, that's about it. So if you followed the process correctly, you've shaved off about ½ an inch from the Marvel Select version of Rogue. And let's take a look at some photos here and see how she scales now with her Marvel Legends buddies. Thanks for taking the time to learn something new today. Your mind will thank you.